are two YouTube channels that are going viral right now. The first one is Grace Daily English. It has 53.9K subscribers and only 35 uploaded videos, yet its videos have received hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. As you can see, the performance of this channel is truly impressive. Second channel is Family Life English. It has 14.1K subscribers, and its videos are also performing exceptionally well. This channel is also monetized. Let me show you. As you can see, its estimated monthly earnings are around $9,500, which is a very impressive income. The view count is excellent, and the channel is growing rapidly. These results demonstrate the huge potential of the English learning niche and why so many creators are interested in this type of content. You can create videos just like these two channels. The best part is that you can do it completely for free. You don't need expensive software, professional equipment, or advanced editing skills. Everything can be done using free AI tools that are available online. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to continue sharing valuable tutorials and strategies with you. Now, let's get started. First, we'll use two AI tools, and with these two tools, we'll create training videos just like the ones you've seen at GPT. Once it's open, I'll give you a prompt, just copy it. The advantage of this prompt is that every time you paste it into ChatGPT, it will generate a completely new story while keeping the characters consistent. You'll get a fresh story, narration, and new ideas every time you use it. As you can see, it creates everything for you. Image prompts for each scene, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and so on. Below that, you'll also find video prompts for every scene. It generates everything for you scene by scene. All you have to do is copy and paste the prompt. That's it, nothing else. Every time you paste the prompt, it will create a brand new story, new ideas, and completely new prompts. If you want a different concept, simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT and say, "Change this video idea prompt." And it will generate a new version for you. Now our image prompts are ready, so the next step is to generate the images. For this, we'll use Leonardo.ai. Log in to Leonardo.ai. Select the Phoenix 1.0 model and set the image size to 16:9 if you're creating YouTube long video. Then paste each prompt one by one and generate the images. As the images are created, you'll notice that the character remains consistent throughout all the scenes. Leonardo AI is a powerful AI image and video creation platform that helps creators generate high-quality visuals in minutes. It offers advanced text-to-image tools, character consistency, image editing, upscaling, and creative design features. Many YouTubers, marketers, and content creators use Leonardo AI to make thumbnails, animations, social media content, and digital art. Its fast generation speed, daily free credits, and professional results make it a popular choice in 2026. As you can see, all the images are now ready, and the character consistency is maintained. The image generation process is complete. Now that the images are ready, let's move on to the next step, how to create the videos from these images. To create AI videos, the first website I recommend is Vibe.ai. It's an excellent platform for generating high-quality AI videos. First, open the website and click on Upload. After that, upload your first image and adjust it if needed. Once the image is ready, click on the three dots and select Animate to Video. The image will start being converted into a video. This is a great website because you can create AI videos for free. After selecting Animate to Video, the generation process will begin. In a short time, your first video will be ready. As you can see, the result looks amazing. Now I'll upload another image. After uploading it, click on the Add Music option. From there, you can choose any background music you like, or you can keep the original audio if you prefer. Simply select the option that works best for your video. That's how you can create AI videos using this platform. Now, let's move on to the second website that we can use to create AI videos. Open PavVid. It's an excellent website, and one of its best features is that it provides 200 free credits every day. Since each video costs only 10 credits, you can create up to 20 videos daily using just one email account. If you use a few extra email accounts, you can collect 600-700 credits and generate even more videos completely free. Now, let me show you the results. Click on Create Video, then choose Upload Image. Upload your first image, paste the prompt, and start generating the video. After a short wait, your video will be ready, and the result looks amazing. Next, upload another image, paste the video prompt again, and generate the second video. As you can see, the second video is now ready, and the quality is outstanding. Now, upload one more image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. The third video will start rendering immediately. Within a short time, all 3 videos will be ready, and the results look fantastic. That's how you can create videos for free using PovVid. If videos are ready, let's move on to the next free tool you can use to create even more amazing content. Now, let's create an AI voiceover for our videos. For this step, we'll use Unlimited AI Tools, an excellent free website for generating high-quality AI voices. Simply copy your 150-word story from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Next, choose your preferred voice. I personally recommend this one because it sounds very natural and realistic. For even better results, you can select the storytelling style. Once everything is set, click Generate, and your AI voiceover will be ready in just a few moments. You can play the audio and hear the quality for yourself.
Storytelling. Adorable 8-year-old child hugging a tiny lost puppy with huge emotional eyes. Mother and father.
The voice sounds realistic, clear, and professional, making it perfect for videos. I frequently recommend this tool because it's one of the best free AI voice generators available online. If you're looking to create professional quality AI voiceovers without spending any money, this website is definitely worth using. The final step, I'll use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is an excellent video editing software that is easy to use, completely free, and packed with useful features such as effects, filters, transitions, music, and much more. I'll import all of my clips into CapCut, add some effects and transitions, and make the video look more engaging and professional. And that's it, my video is now complete. As you can see, the final result looks great. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you found it helpful. I'll be back with another exciting method and more free AI tools in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.